Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix unable to change your TikTok account region. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what you need to do firstly is to go into your TikTok app right here as you can see and then come to your profile. So now on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to just click on the three lines in the top right corner. So just click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be able to view all of these alternatives in here, which is perfect. So in here, you're just going to simply click on settings and privacy, and as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is great. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down in here until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem. And as you can see, it should now take you here. Scroll all the way down in here where it says chat with us and just click on it. Just going to take us a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, sorry. And then write report a problem in here. So I'm just going to write like this and then click on submit a ticket. And now you need to write like this to the support. I did this myself, by the way, and then after that, it was actually able to be fixed. So I wrote like this: I need to change my region to the current one that I am in, and you're going to write the region. So let's say Norway, just as an example. Please help me to fix this because it's not updating for me. So write like this: I need to change my region to the current one that I am in. We can also actually write I am in right now, just to clarify. So for me it's Norway, obviously, which is actually not, but as an example, please help me to fix this because it's not updating for me. Click on submit. So I'm just going to click on my support ticket now. So I need to change my region to the current one that I am right now, Norway. Please help me to fix this because it's not updating for me. Perfect. So basically this support ticket is now open for me. It is going to stay open probably for 24 to 48 hours, just so you know. And what you can also do, by the way, is to just close your TikTok app and go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here, just search for TikTok. And check if your blue button on TikTok says update. So let's say if you have now, for example, left to another region, to another country basically, and it still is not updating, you cannot update the region on your app, well then basically sometimes on the App Store or Google Play Store, instead of open, it will say something like update on the blue button in here. So if it says update, just click on it. That can also actually automatically fix your issue, just so you know. Otherwise, hopefully in 1 to 2 business days, when you have actually submitted the ticket to the TikTok support, hopefully after that it's going to be fixed for you as well.